The Connected Forces Initiative is the main transformational driver for the future years of the Alliance and their forces. After 10 years of operations in Afghanistan, where it was very easy to pass from operations to lessons learned to new operations without giving too much time to the training, there will be a new focus in training. The Connected Forces Initiative will be the main transformational driver for the Alliance in the next years to come. And the training is one of the main parts that will be covered by the Connected Forces Initiative. And on my back you can see one of the results of our transformational efforts in terms of product. After 10 years of operations in Afghanistan, where there was no much time for training and where the lessons learned were immediately implemented into operations, there is a new focus in training when the operations will be finished or passed over. Therefore, there will be a lot of room, a lot of space for modeling simulation to play a part in a physical environment where the funds and the resources are becoming more and more scarce. Modeling simulation provides an opportunity and a mean to provide better training in a cheaper way and in a faster way. And an effective mission rehearsal tool that allows to provide that same level of interoperability that has been achieved during the operations in Afghanistan. NATO ACT responsibility in delivering CFI is multifaceted. We have been tasked to provide an overarching training scheme because since 2013, ACT is responsible for all the exercises and trainings of the Alliance. Therefore, we are organizing the basics and the background for the biggest exercise that will take place in 2015. To that extent, in the modeling simulation we'll have a part to play, and ACT is delivering a strand of work that is dedicated to technology. And the main technology that is taken into consideration is modeling simulation. This follows in the field of our relationship with industry that we have been growing during the last 8 years, where we cover the relationship with industry outside of the procurement cycle on a peer-to-peer basis in terms of better understanding each other, what are the capabilities that are immediately available from industry and what are the requirements that are coming from the Alliance to the industry in order to better understand what is the better, cheaper and faster product that can be delivered directly to the operators. ITEC will be a very useful platform to discuss these issues. And that's the reason why we invited several NATO representatives here in order to identify the better marketplace to get the best products in a reasonable time frame. The NATO Defense College has started a cooperation with the ACT in order to develop a simulation that will cover the strategic decision making and allow the newcomers to NATO to better understand what are the mechanics and the procedures that give them the opportunity to be immediately operational within a NATO environment. The pilot project is underway, is the one with the NATO Defense College. Besides, we have other pilot projects that are related to the operational level of operations. We are working with the ARC. And besides, we have several modeling simulation strands that you can see, as I already mentioned, on the back. We developed this project that is being portrayed on my back is something that is implied by the Enmiotic in a school where the crews of the ships are taught how to conduct boarding operations. Before doing the real stuff, they can exercise a lot of times with the model and the simulator that have been developed mainly by ACT. ITEC is not new for the ACT. We have started a couple of years ago to take an active part to ITEC. Last year we had the first NATO forum. We are having the second NATO forum here. As stated previously, we invited several NATO representatives where they will have the opportunity to discuss directly with the companies and the industry that are represented by ITEC what are the requirements, what are the capabilities in a real marketplace fashion that allows to identify the better products at the better cost, at the better time frame.